A clean voice is very important for your listener. Background noise can make speech difficult to understand. In this video, I will show you how to remove background noise without software, and it's totally free, so you don't need to pay. There is a lot of website, there you need to pay, there have subscription, but I will show you how to clean your background noise for free. Today I will show you two websites. Number one, myedit.online, and number two is productsasposed.app. So let's start with myedit.online. First, choose your file. From here, select your audio and upload. So it will take time to upload. You have to wait for it. Upload is completed. From here, you can customize your noise level. So you can keep it around 80 and you can listen again. So you can customize it as per your requirement. After that, from here you can download. You need to create an account. After that, sign in. Again, click download. From here, you can download your audio. Go to the second website, upload your audio. From here, you can select the format. So I will keep MP3. Click on process. Upload is completed. The background noise automatically removed from your audio. From here, you can download your audio.